I got injured in a car accident. The other driver was at fault. The insurance is not even denying liability. They've accepted 100% responsibility. So now how soon do I get paid? 4 weeks, right? Wrong. And if anyone is telling you that, run very, very far away. Stay tuned. So every injury case is unique, and unfortunately, most of the times I really cannot provide a very accurate estimate of how soon you can get paid, and that's even if there's clear liability, meaning the other person is clearly at fault, and the insurance company will sometimes even acknowledge liability. That doesn't necessarily mean payment's going to come to you very quickly. And in fact, while it is possible to get paid quickly, sometimes if you're getting paid quickly on an injury claim and if a lawyer or a third-party agency is claiming that you should be getting paid within just a few weeks, they're probably doing you a disservice, and most likely they're playing right in the insurance company's hands, because a lot of insurance companies would like to issue payments that are very low, less than medical bills sometimes even, because if you try to settle an injury case before we even know what the scope of treatment is, oftentimes that means you're taking a substantial discount on what your claim is worth. Now, again, every claim is unique. Certainly, I've had cases resolve very quickly, but I've also had cases take a very long time. And the important thing is that I try to do my best to advise my clients, look, I'll do my best to handle it quickly, but it might take several months. I've even had cases where it takes a year or more before my client has ever recovered on their injury claim. And that's because certain cases take a certain amount of work. Sometimes someone will be treating for an injury case for several months. And in order to properly investigate and pursue the case, I need to make sure I'm gathering any relevant medical records, any relevant bills. If we're trying to settle the case pretty much immediately after the collision, well, we're probably not doing a very good job. So if you want to make sure your injury claim is handled properly, give me a call. I'll try to be upfront, reasonable on what you can expect. Some cases go to court, that might take longer. In some cases, we may be able to settle without the need of filing a lawsuit. So that also will depend, but the important thing is I handle cases from the very beginning when someone retains me to the very end. So I can make sure that I am doing the best I possibly can in getting clients the money that they deserve, not just a quick check.